Good afternoon and welcome back to the Perkins Garages YouTube channel, and as the shadows grow longer, this is the last walk around video of the day, and I bring to you this frozen white Ford TOURNEO custom shuttle bus 9-seater. This is a 6-speed manual vehicle. It's the L2 equivalent, so it's the longer wheelbase. We've got Ford warranty till November 2024, and this vehicle is good to go, so you can drive it away as soon as you please. But let me take you around some of the key specification and things worth noting on this wonderful shuttle bus. Right, so we're going to begin at the front of the vehicle as always, key in hand, ready to show you some daytime running lights. So as you can see at the outside of the lamp, the bit that's currently flashing in your video, it's not in real life, it's just the frequency that this records in. So LED daytime running lights, some nice good quality headlights on there as well to keep you nice and visible in the darker conditions, which are soon on their way. We've got front and rear parking sensors, so you can see the front parking sensors trailing around the bottom lip of the bumper there, making our way to the offside. Again, front fog lights as well. I apologise about my shadow, there's not really much I can do about that, unfortunately. There we are. Anyway, we have some 16-inch steel wheels with some lovely covers on them, and these are practically good to go tyres, so plenty of tread left on them and thousands of miles of happy motoring yet to come. So the frozen white tipped off with some black mirror covers and the rear privacy glass as well, so it's almost like a two-tone effect. It really does look the part, and also you've got the black trims there, so it all matches quite nicely as we go along. So remote central locking and unlocking with some really high security locks to provide only you are getting into this vehicle. So let's try and give you some reflections with what sunlight we have left on some of the body panels there, and as you can see for yourself, it's perfectly immaculate. So make our way around the rear now, and like previously mentioned, rear parking sensors trailing around that bottom lip. And we've also got a factory fitted tow bar, so if you are in the market to tow stuff, bang, tow bar. And we also have your electrics there as well, so you don't have to worry about getting one put on at a later date. It's all there and it's all good to go. So you've got a really high towing capacity with these diesel manuals, so you know, say to keep in mind if you're in the market to tow. So I'll take you around the near side, and as you can see for yourself, we've got Goodyear tyres on those 16-inch rims. So back at the rear vehicle, let me just unlock it. We can open up the rear tailgate like so. This can be a rain cover if you like. If you do have you're taking a football team to a game, it's absolutely having it down, cats and dogs raining everywhere, you're getting soaked, you lift up the tailgate, you're watching your lads or ladies have a fantastic game of football, and you're staying nice and dry. There you go. What a nice multi-purpose vehicle this is indeed. So we've got 9 seats in this long wheelbase vehicle, so as you guessed it, not really much in the way of rear room there. We do have, if you don't mind me just getting down onto my knees, we do have a spare wheel under there as well, so you're always going to be going in the right direction, even in the eventuality of a flat tyre. So what I'm going to do, we do have a nice little handle, so those of you that are a little bit shorter than myself can still grab hold of it and pull down the nice large tailgate. So I'm actually going to enter the vehicle by the near side roller door here, like so. We do have one on the other side, so it's not an issue on both sides. And once again, the valeters have gone to town with floor mats, and good job, because we like to keep our vehicles nice and protected here. So let me jump in and take you for a tour of the rear of this vehicle. Rear air conditioning can be found just at the sky there, so you've got 4 different blower speeds, and we've got different temperatures. A speaker system is found throughout the roof as well, keeping people charged up. 2 USBs, 2 more USBs, 2 more USBs. So 6 USBs in the rear here already. We've got cup holders, another 12-volt socket there. Yeah, so we've got a bench of 3, another 2 to make 5, another 2 to make 7, and 2 in the front, you guessed it, to make 9. You know what? Let's be clever. Shut that up like so. And I'm going to walk straight through the middle of the vehicle. Look at that. Beautiful. So, like magic, I'm now in the front of the vehicle. So this vehicle has done a little over 16,000 miles. Key, we're going to pop straight into the keyhole just down there. Foot on the clutch, turn that round. Oh. Like so. If I turn the key correctly, that would help. And that gives us power to the vehicle. Right, okay, so let me show you around the driver display. RPM gauge to the left hand side and miles per hour to the right. Coolant temperature sensor and a fuel gauge at the bottom there as well. We can cycle through the little digital display there using the arrows on the steering wheel, and you can cycle through tyre pressures, fuel consumptions. So it's averaging 34.7 at the moment. You know, so you've got loads of different bits and bobs you can go through. It will start assist as well, so it's really handy in a larger vehicle. No more juggling on the clutch. It'll pinch you there until you have to go. So that's always a good little feature to have on board. And apart from that, on the steering wheel, we have some more phone connectivity buttons. So you have your voice command, you have previous and next song, and we also have one individual button for picking up and declining phone calls. On the left hand side of the steering wheel is where you'll find your cruise control buttons. So it's a nice convenient place to have it. Take off standby, set your speed, set your limiter if you have to, cancel the whole operation. So it's a real nice user friendly system. And like you can see just below, we also have some volume buttons as well. So speaking of volume, it's about time I took you over to the infotainment system. So over here we have a nice little monitor here, which you can get all your radio, you can get your Bluetooth plugged in. So like you just saw there, we've got DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth connectivity. So you can plug your phone in, or I say plug your phone in, sync your phone in using Bluetooth to take full access of all the features and hands-free features whilst you're driving. So it's a really nice thing to have. So you're never going to be grabbing for your phone whilst you're driving. It's all done there. And that's also the same with playing media. You know, you can plug it in or connect it via Bluetooth, or you can plug it in the USB port there, and it will play your media out there as well. Okay, so that's all that. We have a few sound system settings there as well, so you can adjust all of your sound accordingly and to your specification. Just below it is your heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls. Fan speed to the left, temperature to the right, and obviously your air conditioning buttons there as well. Heated front seats, heated front screen are also found on that little cluster just there. So you've got some really nice two-tone cloth interior, and again the front two seats are heated, and also the front two windows are electrically controlled on the button there, one touch. And same again with your mirror controls. It's also folding mirrors as well. So click of the button, you can have the mirrors folding in and out like so. Okay, let me just show you some more little cubby holes whilst we're here. So we counted the 6 USBs in the back. We've got one more down there. We've got one private one for the driver there, along with a 12-volt socket. So it's 8 USBs for 9 seats. So, you know, everyone, apart from one, can plug their phone in at once. Nice little cubby hole here for the documents or anything else you need to keep stored away. But if you are, you know, depends what you're using the vehicle for. If it's, you know, taxi purposes, maybe keep documentation under there. You know, keep things nice and safe. I would also like to add as well, down here we have a selection of buttons, one for cruise control, one for parking sensors, and one mode button. So we can put it into an eco mode, which is going to reduce the revs before changing gear, or suggesting to change the gear and give you a more gentle throttle response to hopefully increase your MPG. So in this day and age where fuel's so expensive, it's good to be as economical as possible. Right, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. These shuttle buses have so much to offer. I don't think I'll ever cover it all in 10 minutes. So if you do have any questions, please do give me or one of the sales team a call on 01376 550 899. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.